guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I look a hot mess, but I'm going to do a natural hair video for you guys. I believe I did a wash and go routine, which this is kind of what it is, but I'm not gonna go because it's like -2 degrees outside. I live in the Midwest and it is cold as heck right now. So right now I'm kind of experimenting what to do with my hair. It's kind of been too cold for me to wear it out. Like, it's been very brittle and dry. So right now I'm like experimenting with products to see what is the most hydrating for my hair. So yeah, so today I'm just going to show you guys what products I'm putting in, how I'm styling it. I'm most likely not going to leave the house for a few hours, so hopefully it'll just air dry very quickly. But yeah, let's get right into the video and so you guys can know what I'm using in my hair. So right now I just have freshly co-washed hair. I just have it wrapped in a t-shirt so I can soak up most of the moisture, but my hair is so thick that it's still usually dripping wet when I take it out. Ran out of conditioner, but I have this As I Am leave-in conditioner, and it worked pretty well for me. So yeah, don't recommend using leave-in conditioners as a co-wash, but I didn't have anything else. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how crazy my hair looks. And yeah, so this is it's about like 50% dry. No, more like 30% dry. It's still pretty wet in the back because it's so thick. But yeah, this is how my curls look. Yeah, so first, when I get done washing it, I put in a leave-in conditioner, which this one I'm using, it's a Jamaican black castor oil by Shea Moisture. It's just like a cream product. So I'm going to take a generous amount because, as I said, my hair is dry. And I'm just going to add it to my hair.
Don't know how it's supposed to be, but I can feel you turn me around. If love can go sideways, look back at me and I won't let you down. What I was missing.
I think I've applied enough into my hair. So usually with the leave-in, if I'm not using this one that has like a castor oil in it, I would add my own castor oil. This is just some organic castor oil, and I would just put a couple drops in with the conditioner as I put it in my hair. But this is pretty hydrating, so I don't need to do both. So next I'm going to use my styling products, which I've been using the Miss Jessie's Curling Putty, and my mom bought this. I kind of just use what my mom buys because she has natural hair too. And so far I like it. I like to use cream products for my hair when I'm like just going on the go. I feel like it keeps my hair pretty moisturized throughout the day. So today I'm actually going to brush through my hair because I never do. I'm just going to separate it. Do like a half up, half down, so I can actually get it all moisturized because I just washed my hair, so it's pretty dry. I did an oil treatment last night too, which probably should have included that. So yeah, I have that much sectioned off, and then I'm going to apply the Miss Jessie's cream, and then I'm going to apply this Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly by Curls. It's kind of running low, but I have another bottle. It's pretty decent. I feel like it makes my curls pop. And then I'm going to brush it through with my Denman Brush. So yeah, I'm going to grab like that much per parted section, since I am using 2 products. Run it through. Then I'm going to add my jelly. And then run that through. And then I'm going to take my Denman Brush. And I always try to start brushing out the ends because I always pull out my hair. It's that tangle usually. So yeah, that's all I'm going to do throughout my hair. Alright, so like, I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see how my curls look. When I do the Denman Brush, I feel like it makes my curls look the most defined. You guys see that? Yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna continue to do that through the rest of my hair. I'll probably show you guys, but fast forward it because it's pretty repetitive. So yeah.
They always say I saw so many sharks out where I'm fishing, but maybe you're the one for me. The only good thing I see is you. But then it's only me and you. I know you're good for me, I think I'm good for you. So let's see what tonight brings. Maybe it's a good thing, so maybe it's a good thing too. Maybe it's a good thing too. Don't care if it's right or wrong, 'cause either way it's enough. If we know how to make mistakes, then we belong inside this wild love. I couldn't find what I was missing in the open sea. I saw so many sharks out where I'm fishing, but maybe you're the one for me. The only good thing I see is you. But then it's only me and you.
Alright, so this is how my hair looks after I put all the product in. It looks very crazy, but I'm gonna style it out a little bit. I usually just fluff it out. Sometimes I wear like it like this in the front and it shrinks up, of course. Most of the time I part it on the side, but it's just been looking weird with the part on the side. I kind of like this too because it looks more Afrocentric. Afrocentric. Yeah, here's what my curls look like. They look very refreshed. Actually, I think I am gonna part it. I usually part it on this side. It's just I feel like my hair right here, it doesn't really curl up like it used to. So that's why I haven't really been wearing it like that. But yeah, my hair is still pretty wet, especially since I added more products in it. And I will come back and show you guys what my hair looks like when it's like 90% dry. So yeah.
I know you're good for me, I think I'm good for you. So let's see what tonight brings. Maybe it's a good thing too.